Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this tutorial, a question that we've been getting a lot is how do you export from After Effects in not the QuickTime MOV format but in MP4. And so I have this scene here that is just a video clip with some tracking text that shows up, and I want to export this out or link this, well, in this case just export this clip out by itself as an MP4. So if you just go up to the export setting and add it to your render queue, you're going to notice that if you go into your settings, output module, that your formats are fairly limited here, and you're not going to see any way to adjust this to be an MP4. And that's very easy to avoid. All you're going to need to do is just go to File, Export, and Add to your Adobe Media render queue. And what this is going to do is bring it in to our render queue and give you a whole list of more formats that you can render with. And this is also nice because you can add multiple clips to the render queue so that when you hit start, the whole queue will run. Now that's similar to down here. However, it's just not a lot nicer if you want to make individual changes to these formats and have a larger breadth of formats for rendering. So all I need to do here is just click the start button and it will connect to the dynamic link server. Make sure that you're using the same version of After Effects and the Adobe Media Premiere or the Adobe Encoder, and it will just run through, and I know that when it's done I'm going to have a nice MP4 and I'm going to have a much smaller file size than I would have if I had exported it as a .mov. So this has been just a very quick tutorial to show you how to do that. In the next tutorial we'll show you how to convert your .movs to MP4s to make your editing much easier. But for now, that's all. Thanks for watching, and click that subscribe button.